So this is what I've got so far. Sidewall's done. The structure to hold the ceiling up is done. I've just put one ceiling batten up, or part of one. I've got to finish off there. And tomorrow morning I can start building this first piece of wall there, and the piece of wall over there. That's going to be where the filters go. A big filter that side, big filter that side for the incoming air, and then 4 810 doors, I think they are, I'm going to make into little bifolds. And then up there I'm going to have a fold up bit so as I can get the forklift in, like I said before. But we're coming along, innit? And those spacings are, so I've got 1200, so there'll be batten. Then I've got a 600 gap, which is going to be for LED troffer fittings, like the panel lights. Then you've got another gap which is about 700 and something, which will be 2 battens and plywood. Then another gap there, which will be another row of troffer lights, the LED panels. And then you've got another bit of ply, and then another set of LEDs through there. So it'll be nice and bright in there, and then obviously LEDs down the side, both sides, and all that, innit? Marvellous. Here's a little progress update of my spray booth. That's the 2 sidewalls where the filters are going to go. One there, one there. All of the timber works in to put the ceiling battens on. Just got a batten around the sides there, but I've got to buy some more wood to put the dwangs all around there for the 1.2, because I've only got 2.4 metres. So I've got 2.4 metre sheets of ply. But that'd be alright, wouldn't it? I've just got to sort out what I'm going to do here. Get some more timber to make the top of the door, and it's going to obviously fold so I can get the forklift in and out with tractors and cars and stuff, innit? Here's a little update on progress on the spray booth. It's pretty much all framed now. Just got to put some dwangs in around the top and finish off the ceiling battens. Nearly ready for some wiring and some insulation and some boards. There you go, innit? Be able to paint many a tractor in there and other stuff, rovers probably. All the ceiling battens are up, and I've started insulating. Got one board on. These walls here, that's an external wall, and that's an external wall. So we've got to put a bit of paper. Got to cut squares of paper and put them in first so it don't condensate. But this wall's all right, because that's an inside one, so I ain't got to worry about that, have I? Now that's so far all wired up. I've got points up there for infrared heaters, points around the side for lighting. There's going to be lighting all in the roof there, in the ceiling. More heaters up there, more lights down there. Be lovely, isn't it? There's another little update on the spray booth. So all the walls are lined up to 2.4 metres, got the fill the gap in all the way around. Both the sides, I've got to cut out those bits for the filters though, both sides, but I'll do that once the glue's dried. And I've got the starts for the plenum for my fans over there. I've got to cut 4 holes in there, just a bit of scrap that I reutilise, so I've got to fill that hole in and make 4 new holes in it. And then I've got part of the ceiling up there, and then that first gap there will be for the lights, and then there'll be another filling panel, etc, etc, innit? That should be alright, don't you know? All the wires are through. Not a bad day's graft, if I do say so myself, Governor.